Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to your studio for the today I have a new ROM for your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and S9. Under this video ROM is here, you can download and let me show you how to install it on your phone. Before doing this, look at that. This is my phone. As you can see, it's amazing and it's unbelievable. This is Ambasadii ROM version 2. Today I want to install the version 2.1. Get ready for that. Okay? Let's do it. Let's go. Okay. Welcome. Don't worry, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and get ready for that. Where my phone? My phone is here and I'm ready for that. To install this ROM you need absolutely to install TWRP on your phone. If you are installed TWRP, now turn off your phone. Okay, make sure that you have charged your phone and get ready for that. Get ready. Now, if we try to access to TWRP, BSB button, volume up and power button at the same time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Welcome. Okay. When you come here, you need to do this whip, advanced whip, 1, 2, 3. Okay, do this. If you're done, do this. After this, click on home and copy your beautiful ROM on your beautiful phone. After, click on install and localize your ROM. If you copy this ROM directly on your internal storage, welcome. Or you can select this and select internal storage like that and okay. To access to your ROM. Now you can see here the version Ambasadii 2.1. Do this and open like that. Get ready for that. Okay. When done, now click on next. And the configuration can start right now. As you can see, this is a new version. Now you can see available for the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. If you done, click on next and follow me. Let me go to the configuration. Here you can see all of new features or updates on this ROM. Okay, now click on next, installation, next again. Okay, you can select all applications that you want to delete from here. Okay, thank you. Next again, and you can click on install now here to install this beautiful ROM. Okay, get ready. The installation started. As you can see under the process, look at the process. Wonderful. Get ready for that. Wait a few minutes for finishing of this beautiful installation. Get ready for it. Let's do it. Okay, now click on next again, exit, do this and you have reboot. Can you see this? Autofocus, reboot system. You can do this and your phone will reboot many times. Don't worry, it's normal. Look at that. Look at. Wait. Okay. Wonderful. When you see the LED here, the installation of this system started. Wait a few minutes for the finishing. Okay, get ready for that. Let's do it. Okay, welcome back, bro. Beautiful. Now, let's go to the setup review. You can choose your language here and click on next. Do this and let's go to the configuration. Okay, let me to configure my beautiful phone and let's go to a test review after. Okay, we are set. As you can see, well done. Now click on finish and get ready to access to your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus ROM. As you can see, this is great, this is nice, it's amazing and unbelievable. Let's go on the settings. About phone. Can you see something? Autofocus. Look at that. Okay. You have now sort of motion. And look at here. Ambasadii 2.1. The new update security patch level. September 1st, 2019. Okay, wonderful. Edge screen. Beautiful. Lock screen. Okay. This is nice. Fingerprint. Wonderful. It's working. As you can see, this is great. Nice and wonderful. Hello. Okay, I like it. Camera. Okay. Wonderful. Settings. And okay, this is cool. Nice. Okay. As you can see, it's working. Power off. Thank you. Not bad. Okay. Let me see something. Okay, night mode. Cool. Now, navigation bar. Thank you. Okay, well done. As you can see, it's working. You can do this. Put another. Change. Do this. Wonderful. Beautiful. As you can see, it's working so well. No problem. And I like it when you hold this home page. Wallpaper item. View all. The Samsung Galaxy wallpapers are here for you. What do you think? I think that is nice. It's cool, good, and no problem. Beautiful. What do you think about this? Say to me what you think about this. Under this video, and don't forget to subscribe for the next video. God bless you all. Wow, nice, great. Okay, thank you for watching. Let's do it.